I want to come to you first, Kunal, though. Very shortly, how are you seeing the markets? We've seen a little bit of selling pressure intensify over the last hour or so. And what are your high risk and low risk ideas today?
So yes, selling pressure is intensified. Alex, good morning first of all. But I believe that there is a bounce in the many of the Asian markets as well. They've recovered quite well from their intraday lows, and I think in that aspect there could be a possibility that we may go through a late or a second half surge or a rally or a recovery in our markets as well. On that backdrop, I would suggest in a couple of buy calls. The first one, which I'm suggesting, is about Eicher Motors. I think the auto stocks are making a strong comeback for themselves. Yes, the two wheelers specifically like Bajaj Auto and Hero MotoCorp are looking quite strong. But I think even Eicher Motors at current levels looks very attractive for a decent enough bounce from current levels. So buy with a target of 2,700. Stop loss could be kept at 2550 mark. And the second is a buy on the mid cap stock. It's a buy on Action Construction or ACE. As the NSE code goes by, the stock is coming out of almost a 1 month consolidation, coming back after a zone where the stock had been consolidating. The Bollinger Bands had gone into an extremely narrow band for Action Construction. So, which is why I would sense that this could be a big breakout for the stock, and it could come back into that league, where many of these mid cap stocks were just flying up high and making new highs for themselves. So I think Action Construction is a stock to watch out for. Targets of 180, which should take the stock back towards its fresh highs on the short-term charts as well. And stop loss could be kept at 155.
All right, Kunal, thanks for that. AK Prabhakar is with us as well to talk fundamentals. Prabhakar, hi, morning. What are the stocks on your list today?
Good morning. Johnson Control is one stock which I like. Anyway, government is keen on the PLI, which Johnson Control also will benefit, even Crompton. And important thing is all Met Department is warning that the summers can be hot. So I think anything connected with air condition is likely to do very good for the next 2-3 months. So that is on the shorter term. In a longer term, I like Nestle. Nestle is expanding its capacity in India. They gave that last calendar year result update where they are very positive and they want to reach to more rural based Indians. So I think that is a stock which is looking attractive for a long term investor, and it is a very safe bet at 16,800 levels.